Hi, this is Teacher Liz and welcome to my English class. Our lesson for today is about countable and uncountable nouns. Our subtopic will be a few versus a little. Okay, are you ready to learn? First one, countable nouns. So what do you mean by countable nouns? This one, translated in Thai. Okay, so countable nouns can be counted. Example, 1 apple, 2 apples, 1, 2, 3, 3 apples. So apple is a countable noun. Easy, right? Another example, 1 pencil, 3 pencils. So pencil is a countable noun. We can count. 1 bird, 2 birds, 1 girl, 2 girls. So countable nouns can have the singular form if it's only one and plural form if there are many. Another example is tree. Next, bicycle. Bicycle is also a countable noun. Dog. So we can count them. 1 dog, 2 dogs, 3 dogs, 5 dogs, 20 dogs. Next, chair. Children. Men. These are examples of countable nouns. Next, we have uncountable nouns. How about uncountable nouns? So they are nouns that cannot be counted. They only take the singular form, no plural form. Example, rice. This is an uncountable noun, rice. They cannot be counted and only take the singular form. Next, sugar, water, salt, cheese, honey, bread. So these are another examples of uncountable nouns. We also have coffee, time, luck, money, Okay, so now that we have finished discussing about countable and uncountable nouns, let's move on to a few. Nói, a few, versus a little. Nói also. So a few and a little, they mean the same, okay? They have the same meaning. But how do we use them? So we use a few with countable nouns. Example, apples. So apples, this is a countable noun. So we can say a few apples. Again, we use few, a few with countable nouns. And apple, this one, apples. Countable nouns, that's why we use a few apples. Next, friends. Friends, countable noun, so we can say a few friends. Another example, cups. Cups, countable nouns. So we can say a few cups. Do you understand? Yes, of course. Easy, right? Next, we have a little. We use a little with uncountable nouns. Example, coffee. Coffee. Coffee is an uncountable noun. So we can say a little coffee. Next, salt. Salt is an uncountable noun. So we can say a little salt. Okay, so now let's practice. A few or a little. Number 1. Look at the picture. Children, blank, children. So a few or a little. The answer is a few children. So the answer is a few because children is countable noun. It's a countable noun. Okay, number 2. Chairs. Blank chairs. So are we going to use a few or a little? The answer is a few chairs because chairs, this one is a countable noun. For example, in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 chairs. We can count. So we use a few. The next one is blank sugar. So sugar, is it a countable noun or an uncountable noun? Can you count it? No. So sugar is an uncountable noun. So the answer is a little. We say a little sugar. And lastly, number 4, money. Blank money. Money is an uncountable noun. So the answer is a little. Okay, so let us read from number 1. A few children. Number 2, a few chairs. Number 3, a little sugar. And number 4, a little money. Okay, so now you know how to use the words few and little and when to use them. So I hope you learned something from me today. See you again next week. Goodbye.